Are you feeling stressed, anxious, or disconnected? This chakra meditation will help you align your energy and bring balance to your body and mind. Root chakra, Muladhara, focus, safety, stability, grounding. Begin by bringing your attention to the base of your spine, where the root chakra resides. Visualize a vibrant red light glowing at the base of your body. Feel the earth beneath you, supporting and grounding you. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel any tension melting away, releasing into the ground. Repeat silently, I am safe. I am grounded. I am supported. Allow this red energy to fill you with stability and security. With each breath, feel more rooted, more connected to the earth. Sacral chakra. Focus, creativity, emotions, relationships. Now, gently move your awareness to the area just below your navel, where your sacral chakra resides. Visualize a warm orange light, glowing and swirling. Feel the creative energy and emotional flow in this area of your body. With each breath, invite joy and passion to rise within you. Repeat silently, I am worthy of love. I honor my emotions. I embrace my creativity. Allow this orange energy to flow freely, releasing any emotional blockages, and feel your creative energy expanding. Solar plexus chakra, Manipura. Focus, confidence, personal power. Now, bring your attention to your stomach area, just above the navel, where your solar plexus chakra is located. Imagine a brilliant yellow light radiating from this center, filling you with strength and confidence. Feel the power of your inner will and self-worth growing stronger with each breath. Repeat silently, I am confident. I trust my inner power. I am in control of my life. Feel the yellow energy expanding, filling you with self-assurance and a deep sense of empowerment. Heart chakra, Anahata. Focus, love, compassion, forgiveness. Now, focus on the center of your chest, where your heart chakra resides. Visualize a beautiful green light glowing brightly. Feel the warmth of love, compassion, and kindness radiating from your heart, expanding throughout your entire being. Allow this love to flow freely, both for yourself and others. Repeat silently, I am love. I am open to giving and receiving love. I forgive myself and others. Feel this green energy gently nurturing and healing any emotional wounds, filling you with peace and compassion. Throat chakra, Vishuddha, focuses on communication, expression, truth. Move your awareness to your throat, where your throat chakra resides. Visualize a soft blue light, clear and calming. This energy supports your ability to express yourself truthfully and speak your inner truth with clarity and ease. Feel the freedom to communicate openly, without fear. Repeat silently, I speak my truth with ease. I communicate clearly. I am heard. Allow the blue energy to cleanse and open your throat, enabling you to express yourself fully. Third eye chakra. Focuses on intuition, insight, wisdom. Now, bring your attention to the center of your forehead, just above your eyebrows, where your third eye chakra is located. Visualize a deep indigo light, glowing brightly and expanding with each breath. Trust in your intuition and inner wisdom. Allow this energy to open your mind to greater clarity and understanding. Repeat silently, I trust my intuition. I see clearly. I am connected to my inner wisdom. Feel the indigo light expanding, bringing a sense of clarity, insight, and spiritual awareness. Crown chakra, Sahasrara, focuses on spiritual connection, higher self, divine guidance. Finally, bring your awareness to the top of your head, where your crown chakra resides. Imagine a soft violet or white light glowing and radiating from the crown of your head, connecting you to the divine, to universal consciousness. Feel the sense of oneness and connection with the higher realms. Repeat silently, I am connected to the divine. I am open to spiritual guidance. I am at peace. Allow the violet or white energy to expand, filling your entire being with a sense of divine peace and spiritual connection. Allow the violet or white energy to expand, filling your entire being with a sense of divine peace and spiritual connection. Final alignment. Take a moment to visualize all of your chakras glowing in perfect balance, from the root chakra at the base of your spine to the crown chakra at the top of your head. Each energy center is aligned, spinning harmoniously. Feel the energy flowing freely and effortlessly through your body, bringing a sense of complete well-being. Thank you for joining this chakra balancing meditation. May you feel at peace and in harmony with your energy, always. Remember to subscribe and share.